I hope you all have an amazing day. It's your fave boy, JT Tech Nerd, coming in with another video. And it's pretty much about the new 16 Pro. I know it's not new, but I just got it from my iPhone 12 upgrading to a 16 Pro. And let's get into it. It is, if you ask me, perfectly amazing, compact and really good looking, like Apple always do. And you have it in 4 different colors. You got it in white like this, and you got it in black, desert, the new color is desert, and you got it in neutral. Then you got different space size. You got a 120, 250, and then you got a 500 gigabyte version, and you got a 1 terabyte, that is the max version you can get. And those are all the phones. It's not screw to the 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro or so far. You can get it with the normal 16 1 terabyte and the max with 1 terabyte if you want to. Mine, I choose 512 because I am using this for professional use as well as recording, editing, doing blogs, taking photos, recording and stuff. So this is really important for me to have as much space on the phone as possible, so I don't need to put an iCloud, because when I want to transfer it, the quality in iCloud, I gotta move it down, it can make the quality shit. So I rather want to have it on phone so I can move it over to the PC and still have the same quality when I record it on my phone. When it comes to the specs, well, it's big. It's an OLED display, and it's a 6.9 inch OLED display with, of course, 120 Hz refresh rate. And it's OLED, so it's bright, beautiful, snappy, very good looking, and a lot of screen. And actually, I feel like this is a great size. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just the right size. And the camera, of course, you got 3 cameras in the back. You got a 48 megapixel main camera, you got a 24 megapixel camera as well in the back, and you got a 14 megapixel or 12, if I'm not mistaken, 12 or 14 megapixel in the front with the 2DEF camera. And you got, of course, a USB-C. Then you got a power button. Like normally, you got the new camera button that a lot of people are complaining about and saying something. If you ask me personally, in the start I was like little but I've used it quite now, and I will say it's brilliant. It's amazing, and it's really just awesome to have, and I'm very gladly Apple added it. It's amazing. It's very hard to learn from the start, but when you get it, it's really awesome when you take photos and recording and stuff, because it's really natural. You record like this, and then you have the camera here where you can just quick action in the camera and focus and whatever, instead of using the display. It's a very awesome feature to have. It's actually very great. I do appreciate it. I have no negative saying about it. Then we have, of course, volume up, like normally, volume down, the action button, whatever they call it. If you ask me, it's a goddamn mute button. It's always been a mute button. Sorry, Apple. Not action button, mute button. And USB-C, that I'm very grateful. Finally, Apple. It just gives me the chance to have one cable to everything instead of having multiple cables. Battery life, it's really good holding power, and battery wise, it's awesome and actually don't use a lot of power. And of course, there's also the recording stuff. The recording stuff is impressive on this camera. That's also why I choose it. You got the new slow motion feature, and also you have the option to record in 4K 120 FPS and 1080p 120 FPS like you normally do. And also the new slow motion, that is the new key feature on the 16 Pro and Pro Max. And you can record slow motion videos in 1080p 240 Hz and then 4K 120 Hz in slow motion, so you can really just slow it down like it looks amazing. And I can't wait to use it. I've not used it, just really quick test it, but I've not used it specifically yet. Can't wait to use it. It's an awesome feature, and I'm really looking forward to use it in my professional use, to my TikTok and all the other stuff that I make with car stuff and my own car. So can't wait to use it. It's awesome and very compact. When you think about it, this is a phone and you can use all of that in this compact size. I would say Apple's doing an amazing job. And also there's a new AI feature built into the phone. It's not released yet, I have not used it yet, But there is new AI stuff coming also with the iPhone 16 Pro as well, because AI, everyone knows AI, and it's important to have on every single device we have nowadays. And remember, if you like this video and it was helpful, then like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another awesome video from JG Tech Nerd. I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye.